Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download Tinder app on your mobile device. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Play Store app. Here, as you can see, once you open your Play Store app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the top, you can see a search bar. You'll have to tap on the search bar and type in Tinder or Tinder dating app. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the option right here. Click on it, and after that tap on the install button that is located here. The process of downloading your app highly depends on your Wi-Fi connection. Here you'll have to wait for some time for your app to be downloaded. Here, and as you can see, you have successfully downloaded your Tinder app on your mobile device. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download Tinder on your device. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.